By 6 months, baby get head control, she can sit with the support and develop the skills necessary to swallow the food. Some parents prefer to start the solid by 4 months, but it's best to wait till 6 months of age because by that age baby get teeth, as well as there will be less chance of developing any kind of allergies. Initially prefer a puree format because there will be less chance of choking, so that baby can explore different kind of food and texture. In this particular video, I am going to share with you 6 to 9 months baby food and recipe as well as some useful tips. Watch this video till the end for the most important tip. So stay tuned. Hi moms and cutie babies, welcome to I Care Baby. Myself is Asam and I make videos related to pregnancy and baby care. If you are new to my channel, then definitely click subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from I Care Baby. Introducing a solid does not mean that it's a replacement of mother's milk. Mother should continue feeding the baby at least till the age of 1.5 years or 2 years, since baby's nutritional requirement increase. So solid are the complementary food for that. So start with the fruits in a puree format such as apple, avocado, grapes. Also introduce the high fiber fruits such as prunes, pears, so that baby will not constipate. So let's check out the quick recipe of how to do it. First, wash the apple. Put apple in a vessel along with the water and then set it to medium heat. Boil it until full cooked. Once an apple is full cooked, then let it cool down and then peel it and cut it into small pieces. Make sure you remove the seeds. Take some boiled drinking water in the blender and add the pieces and then blend them and make sure that there are no lumps. If you want it to be more watery, then you can strain it, or else you can use the same and make sure that it has a liquid consistency. While serving a food to your baby, make sure that it's not too cold or too hot. First test yourself and make sure that it's okay for baby to have it. If your baby is refusing to eat the food, then don't force your baby. Try after a few days. Introduce only one fruit one time a day. Repeat it for the 3 days. Wait and observe how it reacts to your baby. Don't mix up the fruits, because if there is allergy, then you won't be able to identify which fruit caused that. Don't introduce the banana at least till the age of 12 months because there is a chance that they may develop cough. According to Ayurveda, never mix up milk and fruit as there is a chance that they may develop allergies. Track down the food which you have introduced to your baby so that you will be able to evaluate which food is good for your baby and does not cause any reaction or allergy. Slowly and gradually you can also start introducing vegetables such as carrots, green beans, green peas, sweet potato and spinach in a puree format. I personally prefer to introduce the cereals like rice, oats, ragi, by the age of 8 to 9 months because my baby got more teeth and he can chew it a little bit. Prefer fresh homemade food rather than the ready-made puree available in the market, as they may contain the preservative which is not good for your baby. Today's parents prefer baby-led weaning approach over the traditional puree format, as baby-led weaning approach means offer your baby soft cooked food with the small pieces so that baby can explore the food and texture. I think so that you should introduce it by the age of 8 months or 9 months because that time your baby got some taste to food and will be more curious to explore the food. Whichever option you follow, make sure that you don't leave alone your baby. Initially, start the solid only one time a day, that too with a small portion, and slowly and gradually you can increase the portion as your baby start enjoying the meal. Once the baby is done, she will move her head or else she will spit out the food from the mouth, and that's the sign you should stop. After introducing a solid, you will also notice the change in the baby poop. Some babies also may constipate. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Keep giving your baby the high fiber food and if necessary then consult with your pediatrician. So here is the important tip. By the age of 6 months, we also offer water to baby. According to Ayurveda, it will be good if we use the 24-carat pure gold coin. You can buy it from the gold jeweler and put it in the water. So take 1 liter water, put the gold coin inside, boil that water for 20 minutes, let the water cool down. Once the water is cooled down, take out the coin and don't use that coin for any other purpose. Keep it in a safe place and use that water. Put it in a silver glass and a silver spoon, pure silver glass and pure silver spoon. According to Ayurveda, this type of water is called as a Suvarna Siddha Jal. I have personally used this method and I have seen a lot of improvements in my baby. According to Ayurveda, gold has several health benefits. It improves the memory, improves digestion, and silver has the antibacterial properties. It's an Indian heritage to use the gold and silver, as the ancient Indian royal families used to serve the food in gold and silver plates, and they use the gold and silver glasses. They also even used to consume it in bhasma format, and till today it is popular. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any tips, then definitely mention that in comments down below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. Till then, ciao!